Everyone wants to buy stocks when they're flying high, when CNBC is talking about it, when it's trending on X or Facebook or YouTube, or when your friends can't stop saying, this one's going to the moon. But here's the one truth. The best time to buy a stock is actually when everybody kind of hates it. Let's compare the two. Let's take Meta for example. In 2022, it was one of the most hated stocks in the world, down nearly 70%. People were saying that Facebook was dead, and that TikTok had won, and that the metaverse spending was insane and unreasonable. But look at what happened next. The company still had 3 billion users, net margins above 25%, return on equity around 25%, and a fortress balance sheet. It wasn't broken, it was undervalued. Fast forward to now. Right now, Meta is up over 400% from those lows. And the people who bought when everybody else hated the stocks are not the ones that everyone envied. And right now, everyone loves AI stocks like Palantir and Nvidia, but their valuations are through the roof. Palantir is trading at over 200x earnings, Nvidia at over 50x. That's not value, that's hope. And on the other hand, the second stock, the stock like United Health or Lennar, nobody's talking about them. They're boring, but that's exactly what Warren Buffett would call wonderful businesses at fair prices. UNH PE ratio is around 11 and Lennar's is near 10, both with healthy balance sheets and consistent profitability. These are the kind of hated or ignored names that quietly outperforms once the hype or the cycle actually peaks and ends. Warren Buffett quotes says it all. You pay a high price for a cheery consensus. When everybody loves a stock, you're not investing, you're speculating. But when fear dominates the market, that's when the math finally works in your favor. And here's the key part. We're near the end of the real estate cycle. Late in the cycle, speculation will peak and even strong stocks will get overpriced and collapsed. But after the reset, when fear is at its highest, that's when generational wealth is built. So don't chase what's popular. Don't focus on what other people are thinking. Focus on the real value of each stock. Now, I do break down undervalued stocks and cycle-based investing every single week in my free newsletter, link in bio. And comment down below. Would you rather buy a stock everyone loves or one everyone hates? I'll be reading every answer.